Om Shanti. Welcome to another session of Wisdom Bombs. My name is Harleen Nagpal. Today we are going to talk about how accepting a situation can change our life. So I'll share a small little incident. So the other day I had gone out for dinner. It was a very busy place and extremely tough to find a table. After waiting for some time, I noticed a table on my left hand side and I felt, oh, it was so easy. It's such a busy place and I just found a table. So I happily went there, kept my meal, and I started to eat. After 2 minutes, I realized on my right hand side there was a big trash can kept there with leftover smelly food. But to be honest, it did not actually affect me. It didn't bother me. I just accepted that okay, it's there, it's not saying anything to me, and I was happy eating my meal. After 2 minutes, a man walked across the street with a trolley in his hand and he just picked the can and he left. So, what surprised me here, there was nobody taking the table because there was a trash can next to it. But that did not really bother me. And the moment I realized that didn't bother me, somebody came and removed the trash can. So, what happened here? When you selflessly accept a situation, the situation will definitely change. In any situation in our life, the moment you accept it without hesitation, without even giving it another thought, the situation will change. So, was that easy? Definitely, that is a very easy thing to do, of not getting bothered by things around you, by accepting whatever is happening around you, and the situation will change. Thank you. Om Shanti.